Incoming officers, come forward and stand in the order at the lectern. Sergeant at Arms, Treasurer, Secretary, Vice President Public Relations, Vice President Membership, Vice President Education, President, and immediate past President. I am here to install the officers of Visionaries Toastmasters Club and to prepare them for the challenge that lies ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from every walk of life to speak in an effective manner, to listen sensitively, and to think creatively. I will ask officers to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership. As I briefly describe the challenges he or she may face and the responsibilities they must fulfill in their respective roles. Sergeant at Arms Aaron Adderley. Toastmaster Aaron Adderley, your responsibility as Sergeant at Arms for this club is to manage the property of the club, to prepare meeting rooms, and be hospitable to guests and members alike. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
I will.
Thank you. Will you pass the gavel to our treasurer? Toastmasters Tanisha Bain, as treasurer, you are responsible for the club's financial policies, procedures, and control. You will receive and disburse, with the approval of this club, all club funds, pay Toastmasters International all financial obligations of this club as they become due, and keep accurate account of all transactions. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Secretary, Distinguished Toastmaster Glenisha Albury. Toast DTM Albury, as Secretary, your responsibility is to record all correspondence for this club, to keep an accurate account of all the club's record. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I do.
I will.
I will.
Vice President, Public Relations, Toastmaster Leah Knowles. As Vice President of Public Relations, your responsibility is to develop and direct a publicity program that will inform individual members. Also, will bring attention to the club via social media or any free marketing tool that you may find applicable for your club. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
I will.
Vice President Membership, Toastmaster Urbanique Store. Toastmaster Store, as Vice President Membership, your responsibility is for planning, organizing, and directing a program that ensure individual members are retained. New members are brought into the club. You are to execute membership drives and initiatives that will highlight the Toastmasters program, that would encourage persons to come on into the program, turning them from visitors into members. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Vice President Education, Toastmaster Clemencia Smith. Toastmaster Smith, as Vice President of Education, it is said that this role is the lifeblood of every Toastmasters club. You are responsible for organizing the educational program that will ensure members are able to meet their individual goals, thus helping the club to meet its goal. Will you, as Vice President of Education, the lifeblood of this club, perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
I will.
Thank you. That's good. President, Toastmaster Robert Valier.
Visionaries.
754-881.
Toastmaster Devalier, as president, you have been elected by this club to serve, to lead, to guide, to inspire, to encourage, to motivate your executive team and your members at large. You are responsible for the overall running of this dynamic club. You are the chairman, the CEO of this collective board. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
I will. 754-881.
Toastmaster Nelson Smith, as immediate past president of Visionaries Toastmasters Club, you will offer the president's pin to President Toastmaster Robert Devalier as a symbol of his dedication and service. Can you pin? President Devalier, you will offer the immediate past president's pin to Toastmaster Nelson Smith as a symbol of his dedicated service to this club during this past year.
That's our first president.
It is my pleasure to now declare these individuals installed as officers of Visionaries Toastmasters Club. You've been elected by the members of this club to serve this body. The growth and development of the Toastmasters program depends largely upon the actions of this group. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters, do you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with and work with it throughout the upcoming year? Will the members of this club now open their videos and say yes?